Hello. So we are going to be unboxing a Singer traditional 2277 sewing machine. And this is the packaging for it. Okay, so I've already taken it out of the box. And of course, this is how it looks exactly when you take it out. Okay, so I've already taken the foam casing off of it. And this is how it looks inside the plastic packaging. Okay, so I've already taken the plastic packaging off of it. And I'm just going to show you guys what lies inside. So everything that you would need, well not would need, just that comes inside of there that you would need is the foot pedal and the cord for the sewing machine. Let me just take that out. Okay. So this is the foot pedal, and this is the cord for the sewing machine, and the instruction booklet. And this will tell you everything you need to know on how to hook up your sewing machine so you can start sewing. Okay, so I'm just going to give you an overall look of it. Okay, so I forgot to show this, but it also came with a 5-minute quick start guide for if you wanted to start sewing in less than 5 minutes of you getting and opening the sewing machine. And I'm going to show you guys another overall aspect of it and me turning it on. As you saw, I just had threaded the bobbin with this thread, and I hope you guys enjoyed this review / unboxing of the Singer traditional sewing machine.